Good morning, everyone. Before I begin conducting, I wanted to give you a little bit of information about the song you're going to hear today. This piece is called Adoration, and it is by a woman named Florence, an African-American composer who was born in 1887 in Little Rock, Arkansas. She came of age right before the civil rights movement. In the 30s, 40s, and 50s is when she was going to college, composing music, and performing. She was very well educated. She graduated from high school early. She got 2 degrees from New England Conservatory, which even today, that is quite a feat. She got an organ performance degree, a piano performance degree. She studied composition with world-renowned composition teachers, but because of when she was born and because she was African American and a woman, her work was pushed aside. She was not given a chance to really make her name known. She wasn't given a chance to perform as other musicians in her day and time were given the opportunity to perform as she wanted to do. When she moved to Chicago, she did manage to get some recognition for her work. She became the first African-American woman to have a major symphonic work performed by a professional orchestra. Dvorak, who was a very popular composer even to this day, he was alive during her lifetime. He came to America from Czechoslovakia, and he actually is the first one who formed the school that is now known as Juilliard. It was called something different back then, but today it's called Juilliard. He actually was a great admirer of her work, and he described her compositions as authentically American and said that, quote, "the future of American music and all of classical music rested in the hands of composers like her, like Florence Price." There's been a great resurgence of performances of her music since her scores have been found. And so now, today, we're going to play a string orchestra arrangement of a hymn that she composed for numerous church services around the Chicago area. It's called Adoration.